Hi everyone, I'm Shireen Razania Ramos with Compass. I hope you're doing well. Today is Sunday. I'm having a open house for my beautiful listing in Carmel Valley in the gated community of Santa Barbara. It's from 1 to 4. I hope you can make it. Text me at 858-345-0685. I'll let you know the gate code. It's in a secure gated community. It's really beautiful. This home sits on over an acre lot, so over 12,000 square feet. It's over 3,700 square feet interior. It's about 5 bedroom plus a loft, 4.5 bath. It's really a wonderful home. I hope you can make it. Today is Sunday from 1 to 4. We had open house yesterday as well. We had about 50 buyers who came to the open house yesterday, and we anticipate the same traffic or even more today, Sunday. Cathedral High School is right across the street. So if you have friends who have kids who go there, this might be a good one for them. And this falls into Solana Beach School District, which is a very good district, and the elementary school is Solana Ranch, which many family like that school. And the middle school is Pacific Trails, and high school you have Canyon Crest very close by, and also you have Torrey Pines. You could walk to Pacific Highlands Ranch Shopping Center. It's not that far. You could also go to restaurants here. It's really nice, and it's very close to Juan Paseo. Del Mar Highlands Town Center is a short drive, and it's about 10 minutes ride to Del Mar Beach. It's just a magnificent house. Whoever buys this is very lucky. So the address is 5598 Valerio Trail. If you go to my website on delmarvalley.com and put in the address 5598 Valerio Trail, it takes you right there. Yeah, I hope to see you today, Sunday from 1 to 4. Thanks so much. Bye.